Stuck with the graphics device interface DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Before starting the detailed graphics device interface fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the graphics device interface. The graphics device interface, GDI library, is one of the most critical components of the Windows GUI. It handles the drawing of windows, fonts, and icons. Because this is a core kernel-linked library, a missing Gdi.dll will usually prevent Windows from loading the desktop environment entirely, requiring a system repair. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. GDI is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered graphics device interface component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Because the initial reinstall failed, you must verify the structural integrity of your software, and you should run the repair option within the application setup menu. This forces the system to compare your local DLL file against the official version and replace any data that is found to be truncated or damaged. Why are we doing this? Well, files inside application directories can become corrupted during a failed update, and integrity checks are designed to specifically target and fix these silent file errors. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. A vital technical reminder: modifying graphics device. Interface DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. For users seeking clearer system diagnostics, the link in the description references tools related to managing the graphics device interface environment. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing graphics device interface was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.